Right, fuck it. Let's go back faster. Here we are. Nothing. Go on the other side. Yes. Oh shit! You can see the floor just there.
Oh shit.
Let's go
A bit rocky.
Just a little bit.
Swing.
Oh, that is cool. Yay! Made it.
We made it.
Well done, group.
Well done to me. You got us here.
This time. Pretty. Not done a pretty over ages, just had such crap weather.
We've been doing lots of stuff though, haven't we, to be fair?
Mostly indoors.
Yeah.
Did both of them.
Both?
Yeah. Selfie.
Back. Selfie.
I'd say this is the prettiest bit of Bideford.
Let's just hide under here.
Selfie.
Someone fishing.
Oh, mind the fishing hook.
Yeah, I was just going to say. Do you catch many fish up there?
Yeah. Like certain times of year for certain things. Hey.
Boing boing.
Hey. And around again.
And back again. Bye-bye. Did we Google why the arches are all different?
Yeah, we did.
You did, didn't you? But I thought there was no definitive answer.
Yeah. So we Googled it. There's theories.
Yeah.
One theory is that they represent like windows from different parishes of churches. Like the main window of a church.
Right.
That represents different ones, but no fucker knows which. So that's one theory. Another theory is that because the bridge used to be made of timber a long time ago, that's replicating what would have happened to that timber bridge over a long period of time. And that where the pillars sit, that was just where it was available to put them.
Yeah.
But realistically,
There must be someone that knows. There must be some history book or something.
I'd all be dead by now. People that know.
No, but I mean, like, maybe in the council chambers or something. There's got to be some old book somewhere.
You'd have thought so.
Because although the people that know are probably dead, there's still they would have still told someone.
Well, I've seen designs for the rebuild of it, the reconstruction.
Yeah.
But that doesn't give you any clues as to why. You know, this is probably about between 80 and 100 years ago.
Yeah.
How old did they reckon the bridge was? Was it 1500 or something? And
I think was it not 1602?
It was somewhere between 12 and 16, wasn't it?
I don't know why 1602 is ringing a bell, I'm not sure.
Unless that, or there was tar steps. No, that was 1400.
I don't know.
In fact, even they didn't know about tar steps.
No.
But now that we're actually down here, it's more noticeable how different the arch sizes are.
Some of them are really small. So when you're just well, I guess when you're driving, you don't really have time to look, do you? But
No, you can't really see, but now we're actually here.
Yeah, like facing them properly, heading into them.
It's very noticeable.
Really different.
This is where they do the cardboard boat race, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that's what we
Tempted?
said. That's what we said we'd do this year. Is we'd get the camera on yourself as well, so we can see you. I think that's better. And we said we'd come down on the boat this year and watch the race.
When is it?
Well, it's before the soapbox.
No, but we came down last year to watch it.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
It would have been before the soapbox race.
Yeah.
I reckon it's June.
It's definitely when it's warmer than this.
Yeah. Well, it's not too bad today. It's just windy.
Yeah. It's a summer event, though, isn't it?
Wave at the people up there. Woo!
Hi.
People love waving at people on boats.
Are we going to watch the soapbox this year, though?
Is it worth it?
No, because it just makes me sad.
Well, you can't really see much unless you're tall. You have to sit on my shoulders and you'll be able to see.
True. That could be funny. I'm keen to see how they changed the track though, whether they, because Jess said that they might be pulling out of making those changes.
Well, there was a meeting about it and we didn't hear anything after the meeting.
No.
We didn't hear what the outcome was.
I don't like the idea of getting covered with water literally just before you're about to go down the track.
Well, no, they want to put a car wash in from the pannier market.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I see the floor.
Oh. It's gone a bit boggy there. What's going on? Touching bottom. Again.
Again.
This is a really good day for this. And more people to wave at. Woo!
Oh, hey. I still hate people.
Oh, I look quite nice. It's going to annoy some more, what are they called?
Pretty Insta. You know what we should do? Boat it over to Insta one evening and get an ice cream with the kids.
Yeah, we should. Well, we nearly did last time, didn't we? I'm not sure why we didn't get ice cream.
Because they weren't there.
Oh. Oh, was it really that late in the year?
I'm sure it was, yeah.
As far as it went colder. But yeah, no, we definitely will this year.
Yeah.
It's all the kids want from Insta.
Oh, we had a good night the other night though, didn't we?
Oh, it was really nice.
After Nez got over her tantrum of there being no marshmallows on the beach.
Yeah. Well, you can't go wrong with the football. Yeah, barely any boats out here yet. There will still be moored at Insta, the yacht club.
Yeah.
Do you know when Hawkins comes back to Insta then? I ain't got a clue.
Right now, he's over there.
It weren't here the other day though, was it?
No,
Last
I know.
week.
Maybe it was a bit too late in the evening though. I thought they stayed out until like 6 or 7.
Yeah. Well, maybe when it's warmer.
But yeah.
How many times have I bottomed out today? 3?
3.
3, yeah. Whoops.
Well, to be fair, no, last time, well, no, that kind of was a bottom out actually.
Well, you said, oh, I can see the floor, and that's when
And it was a bit too late.
Hit it, yeah. No, I can't feel it here. Funny how close in we can get before I've got to pull the motor up. It seems fairly flat until you get to the wall. No. No. It's really busy though.
It's very, isn't it?
Got to be able to feel it here, surely. No, nothing.
No?
No. Deep. What?
You're funny.
Where's that camera pointing at me? There we go. I have a new if you want. Get us in it. Us.
But you're so much more funny than me.
Oh, touching button there.
Hey.
Oh. Just for reference.
Just for reference.
And fucking turn round back to Appledore.
Oh, there's such a queue for the ice cream as well.
Reckon Hawkins will bring an ice cream too.
Maybe if he was on like Uber delivery.
Yeah.
We're just over here.
Right, fuck it. Let's go back to Appledore.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I want ice cream.
They want ice cream now. And Hawkins and Apple. Yeah, Hawkins and Appledore, aren't they?
Yeah, I know.
Or do you want an in-stay one? Are they nice in
I
there?
shouldn't fucking have any of it. My stomach. I've eaten so much cheese and bread and.
Are you not going to have cheesy pasta tonight?
Oh.
I know.
Waste not, want not. It's in the fridge, isn't it?
Still probably got about a half of that.
It'll be alright tomorrow, though, won't it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I kind of want cheesy chips tonight.
Yeah, alright. We can do that. Oh, nice little, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You enjoy that, miss?
Hmm?
You enjoy that?
Yeah.
Nice way to spend a Sunday afternoon.
My hands aren't frozen like last weekend, so I'd say that's a win.
Mine are fine. It was alright.
Yeah, fine.
Just not frozen.
Not frozen. Yeah, last weekend was really pretty because obviously we had the sunset. If we didn't have the sunset,
Yeah.
I think it would have been quite unenjoyable.
It's not windy.
Yeah, but I don't want to get a cold head.
Oh.
Yeah. Appledore's very busy.
Maybe we should just stay on the boat.
Yeah.
There's less people here.
Bye.
What time are we on? 10 to 3. Yeah.